Today, you will learn how to insert image as letterhead in Word. First, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, choose this device, and select your letterhead image from your computer. Once the image appears in the document, right-click it and choose Size and Position. In the dialog box, under Scale, set both height and width to 100%. Then open Text Wrapping and select Behind Text. After that, go to Position, choose Alignment, set it to Centered, change Relative to Page, then under Vertical, choose Alignment and set it to Top with Page selected. Finally, click OK. Now your image will work properly as a letterhead in Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.